Alright, we got the one wall built, window in it. We're going to go ahead and start on the door wall and then insulate them both and put T111 both, Tyvek and all that once they're both done. Wasn't really that bad. That was the hard wall. This one really shouldn't be that bad.
Alright, what's going on, everybody? So, we just got done out the cabin, grading the driveway and stuff. And surprisingly, both companies who gave me like a 6-hour window showed up before their 5 o'clock deadline and got everything taken care of. So I figured I was going to be sitting out there for quite a while today. Actually had full plans. I brought a tablet and everything with me today, an iPad, I guess. And I was gonna edit some videos while I sit there and waited, but I guess that's not gonna be true. So we are now, it is like 1:30, and I'm heading over to our basement job to finish out the day. I stopped there, I got there pretty early this morning, poured the concrete, and the guys were going to take it over from there after finishing it. It was just a little piece, like literally a 3 foot by 6 foot area, and they are tasked to pulling the garage doors down and framing them in. We're putting a French door in one of the openings where the garage door was, and then a window in the other one. And today is about the last good day of weather we're gonna have. I think it's roughly in the 60s right now, and the rest of the week's supposed to be warmer, but it's gonna be pouring rain, so we're gonna try to get these knocked out today and dried in. So yeah, I'll catch you over there. Alright, we're back over here at the basement job, and we got pretty far. Farther than what I expected they were gonna get. So they got the window in and framed out, and the French door in and framed out. We'll put the locks on, and then we'll start putting the T111 on the outside. Alright, what's going on, everyone? So, we got the garage doors out today. And we got the window in and the door in. We still got to trim this door out. We ran out of trim. We had to use it for fillers, but yeah, this is some of the other work we've done out here. We put this stairway in down to the fire pit. The fire pit, we built the tree house with the slide. We redid all the railing up there. We did quite a bit of work to this property, actually. I know I've probably said that a bunch. And we're putting Tyvek over the windows for curtains right now. And it's a mess in here.
It totally is. Cleaned it up a couple times, but
they're all out. Looks so much bigger in here. And we got the concrete done. And we got some cleanup to do tomorrow. And put the walls up. Build the walls back up and stuff. And yeah, we'll have a full day. So we'll catch you tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
No problem.